It's going to be a severe weather and heavy rainfall day across South and Central Florida this Saturday, April 21st, 2012. As you can see, a strong upper-level low-pressure center is moving across the western Gulf states. Strong southwesterly winds are developing ahead of it. You can see one large area of thunderstorms in the Gulf south of Louisiana. There's a second area of storms near the Florida coast early this morning. The key factor is that strong upper-level divergence, as shown by these yellow arrows, is going to be moving across the Florida peninsula as the day progresses, leading to the development of severe storms.